These are crescent wrenches. All right, these are crescent wrenches. They come in various sizes. Obviously, you can utilize them for various bolts to undo and loosen. The biggest thing is you want to make sure you have the right size crescent wrench for the size of nut or bolt that you're going to be tightening or loosening. Smaller ones, nuts and bolts, you want to use a smaller crescent wrench such as this, just because you don't want to over torque them like you can with the large crescent wrench and snap bolts. Be a headache and just something you don't want to do. Larger ones, crescent wrench you're going to use for your nuts and bolts for, let's say, the helicals. Those you can crank. Those bolts need to be as tight as possible, so you want to have as much leverage as you can. So having the additional leverage out of this is going to help. Now, obviously, to widen or shorten the throw for the nut or bolt you're trying to grab, you just spin this dial up here and it will adjust accordingly. You put it on the nut and it'll find it, and you're good to go from there. And that's it with the crescent wrenches.